The fight is here. I need ammunition, not a ride. We Ukrainians are a peaceful nation, but if we remain silent today, we will be gone tomorrow. Russian attacked on peaceful cities, peaceful residential areas, no military facilities. Dozens of witness records prove that this is not a single false volley, but the deliberate destruction of the people. The Russians knew what they were shooting. There will definitely be a tribunal for this crime. Internationally, this is a violation of all conventions. No one in the world will forgive you, Vladimir Putin, for killing peaceful Ukrainian people. We have waited 30 years for this. Today I signed the request of membership in the European Union. It's a victory when the weapons fell silent and people speak up. If they see Ukraine in NATO, they have to say it directly and do it, not words. I am not a politician, I am just a simple person who has come to break down this system. We must become Icelanders in score, Israelis in defending our land, Japanese in technology. Faith is something we never discuss at the dinner table in my family, but I do believe in God. The president can't change the country on his own, but what can he do? He can give an example. I want to do something to change the mistrust towards politicians. Chernobyl has a negative part of Ukrainian brand. The time has come to change this. Chernobyl is a unique place on the planet where nature revive after a worldwide man-made disaster, where there is a real ghost town. Please stop saying that Ukraine is a corrupt country, because for now it's not true. We want to change this image. In today's world where we live, there is no longer someone else's war. None of you can feel safe when there is a war in Ukraine, when there is a war in Europe. You can't think of the global and close your eyes to the details. Only one thing remains unchanged. Contradiction between nations and states are still resolved, not by words but by missile, not by word but by war. The people of Ukraine want peace. The government in Ukraine want peace and is doing everything it can to build it. We are very proud of the fact that we have such a low level of anti-Semitism, in independent Ukraine. When Ukrainians and Israelis speak to each other, each side respects the other. We as a country have something to learn from Israel, especially in the areas of security and defense, and we will of course be doing that. You, Vladimir Putin, are told that this flame will liberate the people of Ukraine, but the Ukrainian people are free. Neighbors always enrich each other culturally, however, that does not make them a single whole. It does not dissolve us into you. Several weeks ago, we made the point that Russian agents had already infiltrated Ukraine. They were operating inside the country. We are different with Russia, but that is not a reason to enemies. We want to build our future ourselves peacefully, calmly, and honestly. I do not try to play a role. I feel good being myself and saying what I think. People believe in words only for a stretch of time, then they start to look for action. In my previous profession, when I was a producer, scriptwriter, and actor, I want to get an Oscar. I wanted to be popular in the USA. Politics is not an exact science. That's why in school I loved mathematics. Everything in mathematics was clear to me. Our weapons are our truth, and our truth lies in the fact that this is our land, this is our country, our children, and we are going to defend all of this. Glory of Ukraine.